guys, so this is Aru. So from this vlog title you guys know what this is about, but I've kept the secret for the longest time, for like 2 weeks I think, but I am on my way to shoot a collab with Lily. I don't know how this happened, I don't know how this is happening, but it's happening. To tell you guys the full story in short, Lily DM'd me 2 weeks ago, like a few days before FanFest, and so you guys know that I gave her a script last year, right? Around the same time I gave her a script, shamelessly thinking even if there's like a 10% chance of this happening, like I'm just gonna give her a script, but obviously nothing happened. I was like, okay, fine, whatever, like this is not gonna happen. She is the sweetest human ever. You can join me and say anything if you want. She is the sweetest human ever. She DMs me saying, in short, basically that she remembered the script. She remembered me giving her the script, and she's like, if you're still interested, obviously I would be interested. If you're still interested, I will arrange a window of time for you, and I will, like, you know, we can shoot the video. And I don't think I have fangirled and hyperventilated that much. Like it wasn't even as a fan. It was more like a human being. Like, how is this human doing this? How is she doing this?
She the sweetest person in the entire world.
Yeah, I don't understand. And since then, like, we've been in touch on DM, and she is like, she has tried to arrange this for me. Like, she's gone out of her way to do this. It's gonna be at 9 AM. It's like, what's the time now? It's almost 8 now. We'll reach there in less than an hour. So my respect for Lily has grown, like, has risen like to some other level right now, because besides the fact that this is literally going to be a dream come true, because I thought that this would happen like 3-4 years, whatever, you know, in the future, and it's happening today. It's happening today. Literally 2 years ago I didn't even know I wanted to make YouTube videos, and now I'm doing that, and I'm doing it with Lily Singh. So what is happening? I have no idea. I'm very, very anxious, extremely anxious, but I'm also very excited. I'm excited. What about you? She is my assistant for the day.
I'll do anything.
She will do anything. So yeah, I'm smiling and laughing right now, but I'm quite nervous. This is such a long clip. It's
Don't
okay.
worry, I'll get you all the water.
Oh, sure. Okay. I feel like I've come to know her in a different way, because I always knew she was sweet and humble even before I met her. But this is just like next level. This is just next level kind. I don't get how someone can be this sweet. I mean, you know, like, she has over 8 million subscribers. She's toured the world. She's done awesome things, and she's making time for a fan. Like, I don't get it, but I feel so blessed and I feel so grateful for this. And my hand is aching, but I'm gonna continue vlogging. Yeah, I cannot explain to you guys how much I have been dying to tell you on Twitter. I've been like, I've not even been subtle. I've not said anything about the collab, anything, because I knew that you guys would guess it, and I didn't want to like say something and then be like, oh, I'll tell you guys later. Like, I didn't want to do any of that. So it's been really, really hard to not say anything, but oh, it feels good that I finally can do that. Yesterday I was like, before I sleep I need to watch the vlog where Lily met Selena, because I need tips, because this is exactly how it happened. Like, she's also a fangirl of Selena, and then she was so anxious before meeting, and then she did the collab and all of that. So yeah, also, yeah, the script, you guys have already watched the video by now. I hope you guys liked it. As of this point, I don't even know how it's gonna go, but we just want to have fun, right? We're gonna have fun. We're just gonna have fun. She's just another,
live the moment.
Live the moment, yes, live the moment. This has been one of my biggest dreams for like 2 years, but still it's a long time. So I'm just gonna take it all in and enjoy it, and we're just gonna have fun. It's gonna be great, and I know that Lily she's the sweetest person. Like, I have no doubt about that, and I know that she's gonna make us feel very comfortable. So yes, that's gonna be fine. Deep breaths. Okay, we're gonna like laugh the excitement off. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna stop vlogging now. I'm gonna go through my script again. This is a script, this is a collab, it's a video. I'm gonna go through that again. I'm gonna try and eat breakfast, because I haven't had breakfast yet. I'm gonna do that, and then if there's time to vlog again, I will vlog, or the next vlog that you see will be, I'm going to a hotel.
Okay. I can't.
Aru, please don't kill us, okay? Like, okay, come.
Okay.
I was gonna say the next vlog that you're gonna see will be in her hotel room, which is
Cool.
so calm, totally casual. Like we're gonna really sing Sonal. No problem, no problem. Okay, fine. Please don't leave the steering wheel. This is proof. If I die, she's the culprit. Okay.
I am dying already. What do you mean?
Okay, cool. Everything is gonna be okay. Okay, bye. It's good. Okay, deep breath, deep breath. Oh, okay. Hi guys. So it's 8:45. We have 15 minutes till we can. I'm having slidden like slyly. It's okay. You can be in the vlog. So we have 15 minutes till we go to the lobby and tell Lily that we're here down. So that's cool. Totally casual. It's all casual. She's a friend, right? She's a she's a friend. We've known her since like ages, right?
5 years.
5 years. Totally
cool.
Yeah, totally. It's all cool. Cash. Okay. So we're waiting here, we're like hiding in the bathroom. I'm gonna touch up my makeup. I'm gonna go pee, and then we are going to go out. It's all cool. Like I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I feel like we're so nervous now. But when we meet her, it's just gonna be totally chill because she makes us feel so comfortable. Aru's just like smiling because she's like, yeah. I'm not that scared about meeting her. I'm scared about the fact that she's like not gonna like the script or be confused, and like
I'm scared of being there. Like for so long in her. Oh my god, in her presence. Don't put this in the vlog, but
I
I'm
will.
freaking out.
What do you think of the script? What do you think of the script?
I love the script. I loved how when you told me, like she gave me the whole overview and she took me through it. It was amazing. Like I think it's gonna be so great. I think you're gonna like it. Lily will just, I don't know, give it life.
Yeah.
Way beyond our imagination.
And I'm gonna tell her like, this is not a professional script. You can add and change anything you want in the script, whatever you want. And like, I'm gonna ask her to like advise me if there's anything. Listen, you'll vlog whenever you can, right? From my phone, landscape mode, because horizontal. Okay, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. We have 10 minutes. Okay, we have 10 minutes now. We're gonna go just touch up everything, all of the things, and then we're gonna go. The next vlog that you see, Lily will be in it, or you'll probably see us like shooting or something. So totally casual, all of the casualness. Okay, bye. Pray for me. Do you like it?
I do like it. And then when I do something, it just flashes, right? Do you want me to press? It just flashes. Good
Yeah, the emoji just comes.
Got it, cool.
And I'm like, thanks. I got this at this.
No, I also love it though.
Oh, thanks.
Oh my god, I'm crying. It is so good.
No, I didn't
Okay,
see it.
just kidding. Go ahead. That's so embarrassing! Ah!
Okay, here.
Why am I nervous?
I'm gonna bump your eyes just a little bit.
Yeah, do your thing.
Yeah, and
Okay, got it. So why don't you go here? I'll be somewhere here. So why don't you sit there? I'll be here. We'll be chilling with my friends, like BFS.
can I sit on this side?
On this side? Sure. Is that your side?
Yeah.
True.
Out of the frame and then I walk in.
Yeah.
So then,
She's gonna walk into the same room.
All right.
Cool.
Great.
Let's do it.
if that doesn't make sense, please tell me.
No, it does. It does.
He's just gonna be. He's worrying about lighting and coloring and all the things that don't matter right now.
I am worried about life.
Yeah.
Poking it or whatever.
Okay.
and then I have another expression. And then I thought what could be funny is because your body language is so like funny. If you could like double tap different things
Cool.
in the room.
Sure.
Like so these are like quick
Got it.
shots like that.
Okay. How do I feel about that top light? Is it
Okay, no, it's fine.
Okay.
Now you're just
It's just a
overboard.
different color.
Now you're going
there we
overboard.
go. That's better.
I think you should completely face forward, and I will come from behind you.
Okay.
And be
So not diagonal.
and be creepily close to you.
Okay, fine.
Okay?
Oh my god, these look delicious!
Oh my god, yes!
Double tap. Ew!
Okay.
Be good.
And action.
Don't tap. I'll do it again.
You may want to see,
That's the laptop?
yeah, a little bit more. Okay.
Called Rainbow Bagels.
Have you heard of this thing?
Yes, I have. I saw it.
Actually, when we were in New York, That's when this thing came out.
I know.
And like everyone was tweeting like, go there, go there. And I was
know,
tweeting. I was like,
I know.
yeah.
So it'll go something like, oh, I just did a 30-minute workout at the gym.
#slay.
And I stayed until 3 a.m. and finished my project. I feel like a boss.
Okay, you say #boss.
Oh, I feel like a hashtag boss.
Sorry. Can you say like boss? Like
Yeah,
how
of
you
course
say?
I will.
Action.
Oh my god, I just finished a 30-minute workout at the gym.
#slay.
And I stayed
Wait.
up until...
I think I looked on the camera. I think.
Oh,
sorry.
No worries.
First shoot me.
I'm gonna shoot her first.
Oh, okay.
And so you're gonna be right next to camera. So
Okay.
her eye line, you're
Ah,
right next to camera.
got
So
I'm gonna try to interrupt you at like a good time, but it might not be the exact...
No,
Okay,
it's
good.
fine. That's fine. Whatever.
Okay. Hey, that's not supposed to do that. What are you doing? Cool.
So even when you're saying your lines, I should say mine, even though he'll just take you.
Oh, so you're shooting like that? Like
I was thinking
Yeah.
shoot
One by one,
each,
right?
yeah, and then I
so
watch
what
it
you
together.
sing is
Yeah.
over shoulders.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm doing. So Bev, you come here.
Yeah.
He's wanting to shoot this way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so that was my collab with Lily. Thank you so much for being in the video, Lily.
Of course, my pleasure.
I'm genuinely, like, I'm not just saying it for the camera, like, I'm genuinely so grateful
You're so
that
sweet.
you were willing
Of
to do
course.
this. So
My honor.
I hope you guys liked the video, and we had a lot of fun. Did you have?
I had so much fun.
Yeah.
I like laughed out loud. It was hilarious.
Yeah, I died at that. So yeah.
And if you like it, you should give it a thumbs up
Yay!
and all that stuff.
Actually, I have a thing.
Oh, I'm gonna shut up.
Sorry.
She has a thing. What the hell, Lily? Shut up. Why are you talking, Lily? It's not your video. God, it's stupid.
No, it's fine. Okay, so that video, you know what you have to do: subscribe,
Cool.
comment, share, and like it.
Mhm.
That's what I do.
Mhm.
And then so my outro. So when I do collabs, we kind of split
Got it.
the sign out thing. So I'm like, and always remember, dream big, and then you say be kind,
Be kind.
stay positive, and most importantly, be yourself. So be kind and be yourself.
Got it. Cool.
Okay. Okay, so it happened. I finally, there's Aru. Okay. Finally, it happened. I shot my collab with Lily.
Hi! It was so good.
Yeah, I had a lot of fun.
I had so much fun. I hope I did justice. I
You
hope
did
it was,
more than justice.
No, I
yeah.
hope it was exactly what you wanted it to be.
Yes, it was. It was more than that.
Arushi in the
so-
back is so awkward. It's so funny. I love it.
So yeah, this is gonna take some time for me. Like I
Okay.
said, it's
Yeah.
takes some
No,
time
no.
for me
I
to
get
sit
for me too.
Yeah.
For me too. It's gonna take some time to digest.
Thanks, Lily.
And thank you for coming all this way and being so patient and waiting a whole year
Yes.
to collab.
I actually never thought that you would like get back to me, but I was like, okay, cool, like there's like a 2% chance that's happening, but it happened. So thank you very much for
course,
that.
thank you.
Thank you.
Uh,
So yeah, that happened. We. Oh, I just shot the video. I just shot the collab. I don't know how to react right now. Both of us don't. Like, I'm not fangirling because
What happened?
because I don't know what happened. Do you know what happened? I don't know what happened. Oh, why am I acting like Lily?
You know what happened?
Yeah,
I know what
yeah. It was so casual because she made us feel so comfortable, and like I was like directing the whole thing, and she let me.
So sweet.
Okay,
and
hold on.
she-
She let me shoot on her camera. I don't know what kind of angel she is to let me do that. Like she was like, yeah, sure, shoot on my camera, no problem. So I was like, but I don't know how to operate it. And she's like, same, I have no idea. So she let me shoot on her camera, and Pueblo was shooting it for us. Like, I need to go for like a 3-hour long drive so that I can like process this. Aru, can we go for a 3-hour long drive? So,
What do you say?
I don't know, like it's gonna take time to sink in. Like probably when I see the clips again, like she was literally the best friend ever helping me out with the video. Like she was
Thanks
like,
for taking me.
yeah, of course. She was like
the best thing in the world.
prompting when I forgot lines. She was vlogging the whole time.
I did a very terrible job at
No.
at being the prompter.
No. She was vlogging the whole time. I think right now I'm like not fangirl because I just feel so bad. So we did 20 minutes extra. Like we had an hour and a half, and we did 20 minutes extra, like sign stuff and like take pictures and everything. But I hope she doesn't hate me for like being stupid. Like I feel like I was.
No, babe, you were so good.
I don't know,
Trust
like,
me, you were so
Because
so
I
good.
know she's also not well, and she was like sick and wait, not well, sick, same thing. Like I'm sure she has like a lot of things to do, but I don't know. The experience was amazing. Like doing the actual collab was amazing, but like on a separate note, I'm just scared that she's the sweetest, okay, and she wouldn't say anything, but I just hope she didn't mind that we took so much of her time. Like even though we kind of kept an hour and a half as the time for it, I just hope she didn't, I don't know, like What are your final thoughts about the video?
I think it's gonna be so good, and especially because Pueblo shot it, and
Yeah.
Lily had
He
her
was
in
the
jokes
cutest,
and
like,
improvs,
Pueblo,
and
yeah.
it was so good. It's
Yeah.
gonna be great.
Yeah.
Guys. I'm sure you guys loved it. Like,
Yeah.
tell her that it was amazing.
Yeah, like, Pueblo
I'm
was.
so proud of Bev right now.
Thank
I'm
you.
so proud.
It was awkward in the beginning because you're like, okay, where should we start now? Should we start now? How do we shoot? Where do we shoot? All of those things. But then as we went, like as we went through the script and everything, she was the best ever. Like she suggested so many things, and she gave me so much freedom. She was like, this is your video, this is yours. You do what you want, like keep anything you want and stuff. And
It was a dream seeing Lily shoot her video. You know, like I was
Yeah.
dying at her improvs. Guys,
I know.
like you don't understand.
yeah,
It
and
was
like I know, and like
crazy.
yeah, and like seeing her vlog in front of us, like she vlogged twice with us, and then like separately, like for like this thing, and it was like seeing her vlog in front of us, like amazing. Lily was right. Like Lily and Humble both said that when your dreams come true, it's both amazing and frightening at the same time. Because before the collab happened, I was scared to death. Not just because I was nervous because it was Lily, but because it's happening. Like I said, I didn't think this would happen in the next 2 to 3 years, and it happened today, and I'm so grateful. It just makes me want to work harder and keep going. And whenever I think that, is this worth it, you know, am I doing anything right, I need to remember this moment, like this has happened. And I was thinking, like, before I turn 25, I want to accomplish something. I feel this is such a big accomplishment for me, because I was just a fangirl who didn't even know that I was going to make YouTube videos, and then I made YouTube videos because of her, and she's been the nicest to me since then, and because of that, this happened. So it's like everything happens for a reason, and so I just want to say that things take time. If something doesn't happen this year, it'll happen next year. It will take its time, but when you least expect it, good things are gonna happen to you, and you just need to be so grateful and like never forget that, and just keep going. Like whatever you want to do in life, just keep going. And there will be times when like you'll be upset about things not working out, whatever you're doing, whether it's school or college, work, whatever. But if you really believe in something, if you really like doing it, if you're passionate about it, just keep going for it. One day, you never know, like something amazing like this can happen. And if I may say so, it is amazing for me. So yeah, just keep going, and things take time. Just respect time and trust your struggle, and things will work out in the end. Like yeah, that's what I wanted to say. I can very proudly and happily say that my dream came true. And I told her what I wanted to say. I said that, Lily, you were the one who made me a dreamer, because I didn't think I was worth doing anything amazing in life, and you literally made me a dreamer. And this happened, and all of this happened, and I thanked her for the collab and everything. Just keep dreaming and keep working for your dreams. And sometimes things don't work out the way you want, but it will turn out to be something even more amazing than you imagine. So never give up, and just keep going. So yeah. Okay, Senti moment is over. Aru, Senti moment is over.